love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always
Namaste friends. So today is day 62. So very well very well crossed the 2 months margin, whether you're seeing 30, 31 days or something. Unless and until you decide to catch me telling that there are 2 months, which is 31 days, more power to you. Alright, and and this is lecture 21. In the last two lectures we saw about binomial, normal. We saw normal as a continuous, binomial as a discrete. In both the cases we saw parameters. So normal has three parameters: LOC, scale and size. Binomial has three parameters: n is a n number of occurrences, p is a probability, and size is a size. We talked about this Gaussian curve and how every data actually fits into the Gaussian curve, the every data distribution, that negative 1 sigma, 2 sigma, 3 sigma, and then the positive thing, a class of extremely high toppers, extremely failures, and then the average persons. And we saw how a binomial distribution, which is a discrete with enough values, how that can be actually made a normal. So we saw all these things. Today is relatively a short lecture, but still a very important one. So I thought this should be a separate lecture. And this is called Poisson distribution. Okay. A Poisson distribution is also a discrete distribution, just like your binomial. A Poisson, it actually estimates how many times an event can actually happen in a specified time. In some example, if someone eats twice a day, what is the probability that that person is going to eat thrice? It has two parameters, not three parameters like the normal and and this thing, okay, normal and the binomial. So this has two. So see how important this is Poisson. So the Poisson is, we all know the stock market fell many a time. So what is the probability of this failing another time? What is the probability of this actually happening another time? Because it's already happened before. This is a probabilistic science. Okay, I'm not sure whether you guys follow astrology, but astrology is also a probabilistic science. So this is why Poisson, despite being a small lecture, is so interesting and such an important mathematical concept. Okay, because it actually estimates how many times it can actually happen. It has two parameters. One is LAM. Okay, like think of IAM, IM. One is an LAM, which is known as a rate or number of occurrences. In the above case, it is true for the above. Like I eat twice a day. What is the probability that I can eat thrice, and when can that happen? And the size. All right. So this is what the Poisson is. So let's actually take this and let's actually do this. So what is this IAM? The IAM is known as the rate of the occurrences. Okay. So I'm actually taking this and I'm actually putting this here. As I said, always you can actually by heart this line. You're not going to fail. Okay. And for random.normal is normal distribution. Random.binomial is binomial distribution. Random.Poisson is Poisson distribution. LAM, just IAM, this is 2. So this is it has already happened 2 times, and this is size of 10, and I'm actually printing X. So let's actually see what is actually happening. Now 2 has actually happened 1, 2, 3, 4 times. 3 has actually happened 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. 3 has actually happened 2 times, and 1 has actually happened 3 times. So this is a size of 10. So this is what is actually happening. 2 has actually happened 5 times, 3 has actually happened 2 times, and 1 has actually happened 3 times. This is what we actually do in Poisson. Alright. Now, if you want to visualize this, what we do is, we actually take this, we actually put it like this. As I said, you can actually by heart these 3 things. I told you before. And you can do a Seaborn as a distribution plot. This is a Poisson. This is a size of occurrence of 2, and this is 1000. We don't want this and be taking this to be false. And then we say plot, and this is a discrete. I told you this is discrete. Now this is a Poisson, and the histogram is there. Okay, the histogram is there. See here, this is a discrete. So this is how it actually occurring. So this has actually occurred this many times. Okay, this has actually occurred this many times. This has actually occurred. So this is the Poisson. Now you know why the Poisson is actually important and where this is actually happening. And the Poisson has two parameters. That is all a Poisson is. I trust you have actually enjoyed this lecture. If you have any questions, kindly contact me. I'll try to explain to the best of my abilities. Like always, I would like to thank two persons. One is you for giving me a golden time, and the other is my wife Jayashree, following me to follow my passion. Till we see next time, take care, cheers, and thank you.